Hello students, class 8 students, today we will discuss here chapter rational number. What is rational number? Rational number is what? The number is a form of q by q. This is rational number definition. What? This is a definition. Definition what? The definition that is here a number which is in P by Q form. P by Q form where P belongs to Z, Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Example, this is equal to 3 by 5, 5 by 6, minus 6 by 7, 0 by 2, but these are the rational number and this is rational number, but this one is the rational number, but 5 by 0, 5 by 0, this one is not rational number. Okay, both numerator and denominator both should be integers. This is just integers, so here also same thing. So 3 is integer, 5 is also integer, 5 is integer, 7 integer, 6 integer, 7 integer, 0 also integer, 2 is integer, but 5 is integer, but 0 also integer, but the denominator should not be integer. If denominator is not integer, okay, so in a rational number, the denominator should not be integer. So then only it is called a what rational number. Okay. Now, so this is a property. We will discuss about first one is completed. Then we will discuss about the properties. What are the properties? The first property is one property we will discuss. Properties. Number one, closure properties. Closure. That is closure. What is closure property? If A is an suppose if A is a rational number, B is a rational number, then A plus B also a rational number. A plus B, that is addition properties of closure property. So closure property of addition, subtraction, multiplication. So closure property for addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The closure property, this is called if A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q. Suppose B belongs to Q. Okay. So this one is this is your B belongs to Q, right? So B belongs to Q. Then A plus B, then A plus B belongs to Q, A minus B belongs to Q, A into B belongs to Q, A divided by B belongs to Q. What is this? If A is rational number, B is rational number, then A plus B also a rational number. If A is rational number, B is rational number, then A minus B also a rational number. If A is rational number, B is rational number, A into B also a rational number. But if A is rational number, B is rational number, A by B is not a rational number. How? Look at it. This is A, this is B. B is 0, then it is a rational number. So closure property for addition satisfied, closure property for subtraction satisfied, closure property for multiplication satisfied, closure property for division not satisfied. So A satisfied, but this one is not satisfied. So since this one is not satisfied, so what is this? So we can say that for this closure property we can make a box. So closure property for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this one is also okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, this division is not there. Okay. So closure property for addition, subtraction, multiplication satisfied, but division is not satisfied. Clear? So this is your closure property. Next is the commutative properties. What is this? Commutative commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? In commutative property, what happened? In commutative property, that is if same procedure. If A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q. Your question is that what is Q? Yes, rational number starts from that is your Q. This rational number, this is equal to here rational numbers normally denoted Q. Okay, which is the Q set. Q is a rational number set. All P by Q form, all P by Q form, or where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, in this form. Okay, this is Q set. Okay, A, that is n set natural number, n w. Remember, this is a n natural number, w whole number, integer, q and q dash. This is natural number, this is natural number, this is a whole number, this is integer, and this is rational number. Here, this is rational number, and this is irrational number. This is irrational number. Okay, so this is first one properties is now going on. So, sir, this property we will discuss. Okay, three properties we will discuss here. The first one property is clear. Second one example. So many examples you can take. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is also belongs to Q. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 also belongs to Q. Okay. So suppose 3 by 7 into 1 by 5 also belongs to Q. But 5 by 3 divided by 1 by 0. This is not belongs to Q. Okay, examples, so many examples you can give. Okay, now A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q. So what? Then A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. Then A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Then A into B is equal to B into A. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. This is the commutative property. Commutative A plus B is equal to B plus A. A into B is equal to B into A. But A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. So this is your what? Commutative property. Okay, suppose if you exchange or alternate the numbers, then the answer will come same. Then you can say that this is a commutative properties. Okay, ये एटा बुझी पार ठीक छे जो माने ओडिया ओडिसा अच्छा ओडिसा को तमरो एटा this is commutative properties. This is your closure properties. Now we will discuss your what? Associative properties. Okay, associative properties. Associative property. Associative properties. If A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q, C belongs to Q, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. Okay, this is your what? This is your associative property. If any number are two numbers and the third number will added, the result by changing this grouping, the numbers are grouped. Here B plus C grouped, here A plus B grouped. If the number the different group is added, then the answer will be 7. Similarly, minus, it will be not same. Similarly, plus BC, here AB, but 3 numbers are there, but this will be same. Okay. Similarly, this will be not same. Okay. So these are the associative property, commutative property, then closure property. So 3 properties completed. Okay. So this is already the part completed. Next part we will discuss okay, in the next video. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I will try to 3 or 4 videos. This all this chapter will be completed. Okay. Thank you. ठीक ठाक लगे बुझी पार निश्चय कमेंट दब और सब्सक्राइब कर शेयर कर ओके प्लीज लाइक कर जब भल लगे ठीक ठाक ताहले आम आगो और इंटरेस्ट लेके अधिक अधिक वीडियो आम कर और ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक डाउनलोड कर सब जिन सब टॉपिक क्लियरली डिस्कस होती मल्टीमीडिया अच्छी तुम डिजिटल बोर्ड भी पाठ पढ़ा हो यहाँ तो कम नॉर्मल पढ़ा हो सब भेट अलग टीचर्स डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जगह टीचर सेट कर यहाँ खाली मोर पर्सनाल कोचिंग किसी पढ़ाऊे तो जोटा कम पैसा बहुत कम पैसा मो वीडियो पाइब बाकी अलग वीडियो टिके प्राइस रहा कस्टली इन्वेस्टमेंट होती ओके डोंट वरी फॉर दैट बट यू सर्च ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक ओके थैंक यू।